What is up, camping dorks and nerds? This is my favorite floor plan I've ever seen in a fifth wheel for a family, specifically a family with 1 to 3 kids. This is the all-new 2025 Wildcat 41Dream. MSRP for this big old bad boy is $90,126, but our current sale price is knocking that all the way down to $59,975. Current sale price is subject to change, so make sure to check our website for updated prices. We can ship this thing to you practically anywhere, and we can get it in your driveway for as low as $424 a month. This big old honker weighs in at 9,341 pounds with a GVWR of 14,908 pounds. We got a total length of 43 feet 3 inches. Nice big pass-through storage up front here. You could use this as your mother-in-law suite. And then below here you got the low point drain and your fresh tank drain. Below here you're gonna find your sewer outlet connection. And then coming around to the very back here, you got your 50 amp power hookup. There is a 2-inch receiver hitch in the rear if we want to pull some more. And then you got a mount for a backup camera and a mount for a ladder. Neither of those are installed yet, but we can get them installed for you. We've got 2 entrances on this thing, one in the rear, one up front here. This one's underneath our big old underlay awning. That rear one is going to go into one of 2 bathrooms, the bunk room bathroom. But we're actually gonna head into this front one first. Up the stairs immediately are greeted with a beautiful entertainment and living area. Beautiful kitchen. I wish you guys could smell this through the screen. It smells really nice in here. That new camper smell. Really beautiful interior though. We got the big old undermount sink, detachable faucet, stainless steel appliances over here, big old residential microwave, 3-burner gas stove, and then the stainless oven. We got the glass fronted double door fridge. Plenty of pantry space next to it, plenty of storage up top. Front of the room, we got our entertainment center. There's your electric fireplace, 30 inches. 50-inch smart TV directly above that, and that is right next to your dual theater recliners. Each of these has a cup holder. And then behind that, you're gonna find your freestanding dinette, 4 bar stools on this thing. The shades throughout this camper, we got the zebra blinds, roller shades, very fun. You can do half exposure, no exposure, or full exposure. Heading into the bunk room, this is the best part of the camper for sure. Absolutely massive rear bedroom. Right now you're gonna find 1 bunk in here. Right below you got a sofa, more of a love seat actually. That thing will fold out into a sleeper, and then this one will actually fold up into the wall if we want more headroom. Directly across, instead of more bunks, we actually have a desk area. Well, desk and drawer area. You got wardrobe up here, more wardrobe down below. But then this part, this will actually extend out. Now you have a full workspace. Even if you don't have kids, this is a great camper for you. If you need an office, you can just get rid of all that. Or you can put like a queen bed in here, make it a second full-size bedroom. A lot of opportunities with this massive back room. It does have an AC on the ceiling, so you got your own climate control in here. And then you got your own bathroom, which is huge. The bathroom itself isn't huge. The concept of having a bathroom in here is huge. The bathroom itself is actually quite small. You got your own separate exit in here, great for sneaking out. Some hooks, good sized vanity area, and then a very spacious shower. Being in the rear of the camper, the shower is gonna have some high ceilings, which is really nice. Not a bad shower. Let's head back up to the front of the camper. We're gonna go all the way through the kitchen and living area, up our stairs here, and then take a left. That's gonna take us into our bathroom. Actually, wait, before we do that, we're gonna go through this real quick. This is your control panel. You can see I just turned off the lights. We got our water pump, water heater, awning slide controls. Below that, you're gonna have your thermostat. Above that, you're gonna have your water heater controller. Now that we have that out of the way, we can head into our bathroom. Pretty dang spacious bathroom in here. More spacious than the one in the back, but you have less headroom in this one. That's the trade-off. Still got the foot flush toilet. Another rectangular shower, nice skylight in there. And then the vanity in this bathroom, a little bit nicer. You got the backlit mirror, good amount of storage next to it, good amount of storage below. Finally, let's head through this door into our primary bedroom. In here, we're gonna find a big old king bed. 3rd AC is up on the ceiling in here. You have a massive closet, absolutely massive closet. They got the sliding barn doors, nice touch. But we have tons of storage in here. We have motion sensor lights, we have outlets. One of the best closets you can find in a fifth wheel. Very front of the bedroom, we got some big old drawers, 6 of them to be exact. And then you got a spot to hook up your TV. Very nice. If you got any questions on this thing, do not hesitate to hit me up, 231-788-2040. You can come see it in person at 4500 East Apple Avenue in Muskegon, Michigan. But if you're far away, we can ship it anywhere. All right, peace out, nerds.